Also, guys, let me show you. So a lot of you haven't had a chance to look at the classroom, I guess. So basically, in the revamp that we did, there's all these courses, and let me know, like, just ask me questions if you're confused about anything. Just I know it can get a bit overwhelming because we're in the revamp stage, but we have a new course right here. So it's called vibe coding. All the Go High Level AI Studio tutorials have been moved here because it's vibe coding. It's not really related to Go High Level automations and stuff, but it's a thing on its own. That's why we have moved it here. And the videos on Claude Code is here as well. So if you want to learn Claude Code to build your websites or landing pages, I myself have started using Claude Code to build funnels pages, right? The funnel pages, my Google Ads clients especially. So I'm hosting all the Google Ad Client landing pages in Vercel, and I'm building them using Claude Code. It's very easy. I've explained the full process from the very beginning, from scratch, how to create a project, how to host it, how to make changes to it, also how to automate the form submissions or how to integrate it with GoHighLevel. Everything with every single detail has been covered here. So go ahead and watch it if you haven't already. So yeah, that's basically the update I wanted to share with you guys.